Creating a diverse, vibrant, and water-efficient landscape improves our homes and businesses while protecting the environment, benefiting our whole community. The Tampa Bay WaterWise Award is designed to recognize residential and commercial businesses for their outstanding Florida-friendly and water-wise landscaping and their continued efforts to promote Florida-friendly principles within our communities. Today, I'm excited for you to meet our Pasco County winners as they receive their well-deserved awards.
So again, Mr. Jackson, on behalf of Pasco County, the Board of County Commissioners, and the citizens of Pasco County, I want to congratulate you for the 2020 WaterWise Award. So what Mr. Jackson is doing and Mrs. Jackson are doing here when it comes to conserving water, but having just a beautiful landscape with native Florida plants is something that's pretty amazing.
Well, it means a lot, but not just for us. It really means a lot because we've been trying for years to encourage others to do the same thing we've done here. Native plants are more in tune with our Florida environment, and there's been a major decline in wildlife here in Florida over the last number of years, and it's frightening. But by planting native plants, they're far more supportive of native wildlife. And that's a very important consideration. It's something that we can do for wildlife. At the same time, we make our yard some place we can go and enjoy it.
Hi, I'm Commissioner Fitzpatrick, and we are here live today with Heartwood Preserve Conservation Cemetery, and we are here to say thank you to all of their wonderful volunteers and staff, and to Miss Laura Starkey. We would like to present, on behalf of Pasco County, we would like to present the WaterWise 2020 Award as the non-residential award. Thank you. It's very important that we can reuse and conserve our water so we can teach our kids of the future that they can water their gardens, build community gardens, they can grow their own food, and we're reusing our natural resources.
We're so happy to be part of this award, and I think it's a great thing that Pasco County and Tampa Bay Water is doing. It helps provide a fun incentive for people to do more native landscaping and more water efficient landscaping, but this is about the landscaping around our building, which we took care to make sure that we purchased only and put in only Florida native plants that are appropriate to this ecosystem. So we're excited.
The Tampa Bay WaterWise Awards program is always looking for the best landscapes using WaterWise design and maintenance practices. If you want to showcase your vibrant, attractive, and water-efficient Florida-friendly landscape, visit TampaBayWaterWise.org to apply today, or call the University of Florida Institute of Food and Agricultural Sciences, Extension, Pasco County Office for more information on Florida-friendly landscaping.